Hi, my name is Pempel Lobsang, Chairman of the Tibetan community in Britain. The UK general election is taking place on the 8th of June 2017, in just under 2 weeks. The Tibetan community is calling on all our members and supporters to help us reach out to the parliamentary candidates to pledge their support for human rights for Tibetans inside Tibet. Go and speak to your local candidates and ask them to speak up for Tibet. The time is now to do your bit for Tibet and to make a real difference. For more information, click on the links below or speak to one of our teams at the Tibetan Community Campaigns team or the Tibet Society team. Be the change. Do it now. Do it for Tibet. Thank you.